How's it going, everybody? Cody from Nitrous Express, and today I'd like to show you one of our exciting products. The LS 90mm plate system, part number 20934-10. The Nitrous Express LS 90mm plate system features a billet plate. This 90mm plate bolts between the throttle body and intake, making installation quick, easy, and attractive. This system comes as a single-stage system and includes jetting for 50 to 400 horsepower. The plate is pre-machined with a second set of nitrous and fuel passages, so you can easily upgrade to a dual-stage system by adding part number NX933D. The system includes ProPower Lightning series solenoids. Systems with the bottle include the Lightning 500 bottle valve, 6AN feedline, stainless bottle brackets, master arming switch, wide open throttle switch, as well as every nut, bolt, and electrical connector needed to complete the installation. For more information on this product or any other questions you may have, check out our website at nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 888-GO-FAST-1.